So check this out. This looks like a blackberry, but it's not quite a blackberry. And they're all along this bank, up to there, all along this bank. These are wild raspberries. Have to come up here when they're ripe. Hardly anybody comes up here. And I don't know if you can hear it or not. Let's see. Whoa, I almost fell. There's a waterfall down there. Sounds like maybe a couple of waterfalls. But you'd need a frickin' rope and a harness to get down there. Pulley off these trees or something. It's just too steep and nasty. And all this logging slash has been pushed down there. Yeah, a couple of waterfalls down there. Now I know where I can get a basket full of wild raspberries. Well, about done. Good enough for now. I fried my chain on this log that was like concrete. Sharpened it. Didn't last long at all. Peaceful up here. Can you hear the waterfall? Yeah, Siskiyou Mountains of southwestern Oregon. Oh.